When someone sends you a Google Calendar invite, you will receive an invitation inside of your inbox in Gmail as well. So for example, you can see that there's an invitation right here. With the calendar events, what you can do is you can actually go around and without accessing the mail at all, you can see on the side that there's an option for RSVP selection, meaning you can just click right here and then you can choose whether you want to accept the event or reject the event right here. So let's say I'm going to say maybe, and you can see that it is marked as read and you will have set your participation as maybe for that particular event right from over here. You can click around over here again and then change around your status according to how you want. Like you can set it to yes over here, and then what happens is that it gets set out right here just like this. And that is how you can go around and then access out calendar RSVP without even opening email that you received in Gmail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.